Happy almost New Year, and if you don't know who I am, my name is Paul from ScissorsPaperPaul on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube, a little bit of TikTok. Anywho, I'm all about sharing my Cricut knowledge and expertise with you so that you can make beautiful things. Hi everyone, if you're like me and you love stickers and Harry Potter, well, I'm about to change your life, because you know how you get all cute and you'd want to move something from the mat and onto another mat, and it doesn't really have to be stickers, whatever it is, and you'd select it and you go move or hide or whatever you want to do. Then you would choose the mat that you wanted to move it to, and then you would move this guy, move that guy, and make it all fit in. Well, guess what, people? We've been doing it all wrong. Let's go back. Hold down your control key or command key on your Mac and select multiples. Yes, you heard it here first. If you didn't hear it first from me, then why has nobody told me I can do this? You can move multiples, and then you just go move to mat, and off you go. You're done. Move them around. Bada bing, bada boom. This is Scissors Paper Paul. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up, give it a like, give me something. And have a great day and happy making. Bye.